friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets has closed positive today, taking support around 20 daily moving average, which is a very good sign for the markets. This is a range which has been forming since last, I think, a couple of months now. And now, if this range breaks on the upside, then the next target would be around 64.15, which is a previous swing high, and the next level would be around 6500. The momentum remains positive. The bias remains positive because the momentum indicator has given a buy signal. So the strategy should be to buy on declines. On the hourly charts, we have completed a ABC correction here on the daily on the hourly charts, and now again a small inverted head and shoulder pattern has formed here and has also taken support at 40 hourly moving average. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting this range to break on the upside. So the next level to watch out would be around 63.50, which is the previous swing high, and if we close above that, then the next level would be around 64.50 in the very short term. Bank Nifty has been forming a downward sloping a wedge pattern, falling wedge pattern, and I'll be expecting this wedge pattern to break on the upside. The momentum indicator on the daily charts has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting a good rally on the upside for this index. But the confirmation will only come above 11,230, which is a very crucial resistance here, which is around 20 and 40 daily moving average. Support would be around 10,800 and 10,600. Resistance would be around 11,230, which I was talking about, and the second resistance would be around 11,500. Adani Enterprise looks good. ABC correction has completed here, facing support around the lower end of the Bollinger Band of the daily charts. A good bullish flag pattern has been forming here. I'll be expecting this range to break on the upside. The momentum indicator on the daily charts have given a buy signal, so a good rally expected in the stock. Stop loss should be maintained at 238 and target would be around 260 and 266. The second call we have initiated on the momentum side is SBI. This entire pullback has been retraced by almost 61%, more than in fact 61%. So I'll be expecting a good bounce back from these levels at least, and the bounce back could be till the 20 and 40 daily moving average, and above that the next level would be around 1800 levels, which is the previous swing high. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting a good rally in the stock, a good bounce in the stock. Stop loss should be maintained at 1612 and target would be around 1678 and 1712. So overall, medium term outlook and short term outlook both remains positive. I'll be expecting a good rally in Nifty till at least 64.50 and above that 6500. Those two are very crucial levels to watch out for in the very short term. Thank you so much.